In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Amazon. By the end, you'll know how to use Google to get to Amazon, find the help section, choose the option for deliveries, orders, or returns, and sign in so you can access the right support for your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to google.com. In the search bar, type Amazon and press enter. In the results, click the official Amazon website. Make sure you're heading to the legitimate domain and that you see a secure connection indicator in your browser. This simple check helps you avoid lookalike sites. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, scroll to the very bottom of the page. In the footer, you'll see a link labeled Help. On some mobile browsers, you may need to open the main menu and look for customer service or help there. Go ahead and click Help. This takes you to Amazon's Help and Customer Service area, which is where the tools for tracking packages, managing orders, and handling returns live. On the Help page, look for the option called a delivery, order, or return. This is the section dedicated to anything involving a recent purchase, shipping updates, or sending items back. Click that option. Selecting it gets you closer to the resources you need, and in most cases, prepares the site to show you information that's specific to your account and recent orders. To provide personalized assistance, Amazon will ask you to sign in. On the sign-in screen, click the field labeled email or mobile phone number. Carefully enter your account email or mobile number. Double check for typos, especially if your browser autofills information. Keep your details private and only enter them on the secure Amazon sign-in page. After entering your information, click Continue. If prompted for a password or a verification code, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Once you're signed in, Amazon will route you to the Help Hub for deliveries, orders, or returns. From there, you can view your recent orders, check delivery status, start a return, or connect to the appropriate support channel. If you shop in multiple regions, make sure you're on the correct Amazon marketplace so your orders appear correctly. That's it. You used Google to find Amazon, opened the Help section, chose the delivery, order, or return category, and signed in to access your account-specific tools. For future convenience, consider bookmarking the Help page so you can get back to it quickly whenever you need assistance.